Think is high vibration time. Think is high vibration time. Think it's time. Think it's time for people to start opening up their love senses and reawaken, or if I can say that, reconnect their love senses back to themselves. So may not even see the message in that, then probably think of my garbage or fuckery. Yeah, but when I really project that, because you have eyes to see, let him see, and you have ears to hear, let him hear. Even though you wear glasses, do you still have 20/20 vision? Even though I wear glasses, do I still have 20/20 vision? I believe the time not even going to just reveal the truth about other people. When I think that alone, I think a lot of things are going to be revealed. Yeah, I think I'm in agreement with that. A lot of people about them own the self are going to reveal back onto them. And whether them like it or not, them now can't stop it. Themselves are going to reveal back to them, and it's all depending on how contaminated the mental state is. You know, the choice that they make can either be beneficial or detrimental to themselves. And it all depends if the nature of how the person live their life. Because when some people reality hit them back, they can't manage it, and them spiral out of control. Because they refuse to control themselves. I think it's time people just start loving from the heart, you know, and stop loving from the mind. Seriously, just start loving from the heart, love, because when you love from the heart station, it's permanent. You love from the heart. When you love from the mind, so the mind changes, so the feelings and the emotion, change. And so that it come like you're unstable, you know what I mean? Because and then in my perception is that if a person is unstable, say a person is off balance, right? Because they're not balanced out. Somewhere the other, the masculine energy and the feminine energy are war with each other. If we can accept that, right? So let's say they're not balanced, they're unbalanced. But they now come to you as balance, as unbalanced. They're going to come to you as balance because they have a whole layer of facades over that to shield and protect you, because this one, they have been so unbalanced for so long that they have become experts and professionals in putting up that kind of facade. Now, if you who is balanced, don't know where, if you who is balanced, and depending on your level of depending on how balanced you are, yeah, it depends, because I think there can be degrees of a person being balanced, right? So it depends on how balance and the strength of that balance. You can only give so much energy to that unbalanced person, and no more, because you, what was a balanced person, I don't know when for you say, alright, you know what, I'm going to touch my reserves now, so you have to go cut my energy source from you. Right? Now, if in this time now, if depending this time, if a person not balance out themselves and learn enough from that balanced person to balance out themselves, they will end up moving on to another, try to find another support. Not realizing that the need for that, it is to the detriment of their own self. So and then if you can even too, and you blame an unbalanced person, how much can you an unbalanced person's action? Because if they're unbalanced, I mean they react, don't it? So then how much control they have over their action? If a person is unbalanced and then not endeavor to be balanced, instead they try to maintain the unbalancedness. If you can say that, that's it. Yeah. I say the person no response. The person with a responsible for them action, yes, because that is their responsibility to make sure that they don't get to that state. But on another level, if you can say on a psychological level, if the person, if you have to have some leniency upon the person, so to speak, because it's like, it's not them not react, and the reaction will come because of the fact that them either them shoot and catch up to them or something. So them either have to stand up and face it, or them will always so because I think that's a sick person, and I think that person, I don't think you can really blame the person physically blame the person, because because when they come back to themselves and realize what them did do or how them did hurt themselves, then they will look up on it and they will feel the way. Well, if they're a human being. That is why I believe that it's best to lead from a place of love. Because when you lead from a place of love, and when the truth and certain truth reveal, you are better able to rationalize another person's action, and wherein that you may think that they are guilty and responsible for action, but they are also a victim and they don't even know, and I think that is the worst part of being a victim. And the worst scale of being a victim who don't know that they are a victim to their own circumstances. Come on, just mistake. Because then them never ever endeavor to fix themselves, and then nobody never know say them sick until when. And I say sick because of the state that, like at the previous episode that I did, where that if we want alternative, and let's say we have evolved in our natural state. We wouldn't deal with each other so. That is why I say them operate out of the faculties of the mind. So that is why it may look like, say, what them do evil. Yes, it is evil from upon all level, but it's also a survival for them. Some of them may not know that we because of them born. And the sad part is the repercussions. But them are going to feel, and them are going to probably dream smuggles and realize they can't come right back. Well, my sisters, my lionesses, all I can say at this time, because our Babylon city system, why certain things operating as much as a man might not want to see it or say it, but our own system say. You understand? And the fittest are the fittest shall survive them. And because our own system said to us, are the fittest survive. When people not fit, make their life, they might adapt it up to make it fit so they can pass it like a car. A vehicle with them fix up and adapt up to the pass fitness test so they can put it on the road and when they know say it can't fit. And so I think we just, you see, if we just start to look at life from a point of love, really, and when you say love, and you know, just one way, you know, just one come from men, and like we keep on, I say, we start respecting the women. Start respecting our women, and we need to forgive certain differences as much as you can. You know. As much as we can forgive, and you know, when I was saying forgive, but I would now say you have to indulge and friend up and thing, because friend to me, when they use them term, they know friend and foe, and they're the same to me. So what we say is, you live from a place of love. I mean, it may be hard for some people to start at first, but if you try, just try. Lead from right, so lead your life from right, so. Instead of thinking, say you have to connect right, so. You go on, so if you lead from right, so, a good seed you plant. And it may not look like it will benefit you now, but it will benefit you later. When you lead from a point of love where you come from up yourself, or you can impress a person to make them think, say, I mean, you hurt yourself in the long run. You may think you take the person for fool right now, or a person maybe a good person, you're taking a good person for whatever reason. It no matter. Because it not affect that person as well to affect you, because you are going to think about the evil way you do. And you are going to think about the evil way you do, you know. Because that good person is balanced enough that I will get past the evil way you do, because I know you are first, and I know you are second, because the person I live, and so therefore they may become such an expert in dealing with deception that you don't even know, say. So them get past you long time, because them did anticipate you long time. But you can't get past you because guess what? You know they're a good person, what do they have to do? Alright, they know what to do. Just empty cup, wash it out. Some man do so, and some man do so, woman so sitting. They used to have one thing back when they don't need about man bun different from our man bun When I saw the fucker like that, so look at that. I didn't compete, anyway. Yeah man, this year where I say, let's take it from a point of love. True, pure and true love. Pure and true love. But anyway, the breeze out the door, and turn up. Anyway. Because today was like a melody, it's like, like a moment, I like a melody and things. I like to balance out, Yeah, I like to balance. Remember to check us out on Facebook as well. And give us a thumbs up too, because I don't know them and them algorithm, like I don't know what they're working. I know you need to watch them thing then, but so even if I don't remember to say it, remember my subscribers, then I ask them to just remember to say it. Even if I don't say it, still give that thumbs up when you see it pass. Yeah man. What do you think about it? Can you see with a 2020 vision this year that if love leads the way, things can be a little bit better or somewhat better or something, but if we live in our own such change, starting from one person to the next. To the next. Network of loving people. And the casa say, and the casa no. Smile and love from the heart. Smile and love from the heart. Your girl Najimat, your lioness, your empress, whatever. Highly blessed, yeah man. Wonder all the time. Don't forget mama. Yeah man. Say a little one for mama today. She'll appreciate it.